Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add your OnePay card to Apple Wallet. First, open the OnePay app on your phone. Make sure you are signed in with your account. Once you are inside the app, look at the bottom menu bar. You will see several icons there. Tap on the card's icon to continue. After tapping the card section, you will be taken to your card overview page. Here you can see your OnePay card details. Look for the option that says Add to Apple Wallet under your card. Tap on Add to Apple Wallet. The app may ask you to confirm your identity. If it asks for a PIN or verification code, enter it to proceed. After confirmation, wait a few seconds while the card is added. Once completed, your OnePay card will be available inside Apple Wallet. You can now use it for payments with your iPhone or Apple Watch. If you prefer, you can also add the card directly from the Apple Wallet app. Open the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap the plus icon to add a new card. Select credit or debit card when asked what you want to add. Then follow the instructions on the screen and enter your card details manually or scan your card if that option is available. Complete the verification steps to finish the setup. After this, your OnePay card will be ready to use in Apple Wallet. Thanks for watching.